This is the CAMMUS DDWB, a 15nm direct drive base you've probably never heard of. It's made by a Chinese company that has a unique track record of products to say the least, but I'm thinking there is still a lot more work that needs to be done in the software side of things. The current CAMMUS software is very limiting, there isn't much in terms of fine-tuning and adjustments, and it wasn't able to configure too many games. So as soon as they can figure out everything on that side of things, I truly do believe that this hardware has tons of potential, especially coming in at this price point. Also, in terms of selling this product in Western markets, there is a lot CAMMUS needs to do to secure payments via PayPal or something of that sort, because currently the purchasing process is confusing and a bit sketchy to say the least. To end on a high, there is a lot of potential here. The specs of the wheelbase are impressive, the wheel rim is of high quality, and the price is immensely competitive. With future software updates and proper configuration, this wheelbase could be a big player in the direct drive market, and I'm really hoping it will be very soon.